This is the pattern of the cup that we're gonna be making. This right here is for the sizes. So talking about the bra, this one I made it was for 34. My bra is 34. So that's why I said that it was 18 square, 18 centimeters square. So if you're 30, your bra is 32, you're gonna go 16 centimeters square. If you're 34, we already know. If you are 36, you're gonna go 20 centimeters square. If you're 38, you're gonna go 22 centimeters square. If you're 40, you're gonna go 24 centimeters square. I'm gonna get my 18 centimeters like this, and then I will mark it. Then I'll go like this. Now I'm just gonna connect the dots or the points. Top, waist, back, front. Okay, right here on the top, we will go 1 centimeter. And another centimeter on the other side. Then we'll make a line to the middle. It's supposed to be the bust point. Then we make a line over here. Over here, on the bottom, and the waist, we go up 2 centimeters. Then we make a line. Then in that line we go to the front 2 centimeters, into the back 2 centimeters. Then we connect the bust point like this, like this. For the back, we will go up from the waist 3 inches, and we will go to the front 2 3/8. We will go to the front 2 inches and 3/8. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we connect this to the 3-inch, and from the front to the 2 3/8. I do it in centimeters, some centimeters, some inches, because in centimeters is more effective than the calculation. So especially when it's a small parts. Okay, now we're gonna just mark this like this, either with a ruler or with your hand, freehand. Then you go this way. So this one is gonna be a little bit longer, like by a quarter, no, by a half of an inch. It's gonna be longer. This one is gonna be shorter, a half of an inch, because the front holds more the breast, and in the side we are kind of like, you know, more slender. We will go and like, we will go in like an 8, a little bit more than an 8, like that. And then we will go like this, making kind of like a curve. See, a little bit more than an 8 in the other side. Then go like this. So when you sew it, it's not so straight. Over here, we don't do anything, just right here. Then over here, we just have to add seam allowance to the bottom. You can use a half of an inch. I do it by a quarter. I am gonna be using lace. So when I put the lace to the top, first I cut my fabric, and then when I'm gonna put the lace, I'm gonna take off 3/4 of my pattern, because I'm gonna be adding the lace. So this is gonna be lace. For the top, it is 29.5. We're gonna divide this in 4. If you have a calculator, you can do it to more accurate measurements. I just do it like this. Right now, for this video, I will do it like this. I'll divide it in 4, and then I'll mark it. So that's 1/4 of my back. So I want my back to be 2.5 inches. So I will mark 2 to be more accurate, and then I will go half of an inch. This is my back. So when I put the lace, I will take off 3/4. So I'm gonna take off these 3/4 when I sew the lace, and I will sew the lace over here. We'll have enough room over here because it just goes on top. So then we're not gonna reduce the top, because I'm gonna be making this one on spandex, type of like swimsuit fabric. I'm not gonna reduce the cup, but I am gonna reduce the back. So I reduced the back by, I reduced the pattern for this one. I reduced the pattern by taking off 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches. So it's gonna be like this. Then I reduce that. So I will be just having this part, which is right there, right there, right there, right there. And this is gonna be my back pattern. So over here for the front, I will leave a little bit room over here, a quarter to apply my stitch, which is gonna be over here. Then I will leave another quarter over here to leave the room also for the stitch. Then I'll be removing a quarter, just a quarter off, and I'll do this. So when I sew it, I will be sewing in actually like this, and another quarter, a quarter in, like over here. So that's gonna be where my stitch is gonna go. Okay, I marked this, the front and the back, so you don't get confused. So this one is gonna be on the fold. Okay, here is your pattern. Remember I say it is in the fold. Then you leave a quarter seam allowance. Then when you open your pattern, it is like this. This will be your back. Okay. So this is your back. Now, we want to get for the front. So we're going to take off this quarter over here to insert our cups that we didn't reduce because the cups, it almost doesn't stretches, because I mean it doesn't stretches. There's nothing there to stretch the cup, so we have to leave it as it is. Okay, here's your pattern. In the next video I will be cutting this, sewing this, and I will be showing you how it fits me. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I want to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.